we present you a new video. Problem with the air suspension on BMW cars. The compressor can be heard running, but the car does not rise. It can be observed that the rear suspension of the car is lowered. The compressor, as you can hear, is working, but the car does not lift at the rear. To reach the compressor, which is located at the back, in the center, under the bumper, you need to remove the bumper trim as well as the compressor's protective cover. Remove the compressor's protective cover. Release the fasteners. Two of them were already broken beforehand, either by someone else or as a result of accidental impacts. The compressor is second-hand. Proof of this is the marking paint on it. Remove the electrical connections by pressing the clips and gently pulling them out. You need to pull gently on this clip until it is released. There is another electrical connection on the right side of the compressor. Look, this is the one. Remove the compressor's air supply hose. As well as the pressure lines that go to the rear suspension air springs. The compressor is fixed with 4 M6 bolts. Unscrew them diagonally so as not to tilt the compressor too much. Try to support it with your hand until all the bolts are removed. We will use a compressor produced by Magnum. Aftermarket, of course. Here we have some information regarding what needs to be done to safely remove it. It explains about the pressure air lines and how they should be handled. But I advise you not to cut those lines, because they have a special specification and it is possible you may have problems afterward. In the box, We also find the compressor relay, which can be mounted on the car in place of the old one. This is the compressor. It is identical to the original. The original part number is 37.20.6.789.450. Install the new compressor in place. Bring the mounting nuts close, and then tighten them fully to secure the new compressor. Remove the protective caps from the high-pressure air module in order to connect the vehicle's lines. Pay attention to the order. The red one goes at the top, and the blue one at the bottom. First, thread them by hand, and then tighten them with a wrench. This way you can ensure that everything is correct, the sealing is good, and the threads are not cross-threaded. You can now see the position of the lines. Connect the electrical connector to the control module. Position the compressor's air intake hose and insert it into its working position. Finally, connect the compressor's power supply. Perform a final check to make sure the lines are tightened. Now we need to reinstall the compressor fuse. It is 40A. As soon as we installed it, the compressor started running. You can hear it. Now let's see if the car rises into position. It can be observed that the car lifted a little, and then the compressor stopped for a moment. This is the 40A fuse, as also indicated by the arrow. And here we can see that the car has risen to its normal position. Everything is fine. The same applies to the other side as well. In case the level at which it rises differs from one side to the other, a calibration with the diagnostic system is required. I can only wish you a safe trip. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. In order, do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.